Greetings, gamer. My name is Medine. I am the Prophet, who's here to deliver a warning against one thing that's worse than the scourge of Lordaeron. It is called communist companies in America who mislead and promise more they can deliver to their own fan base. Blizzard have betrayed us. We must go west to Kalimdor. Get a refund. In this video I'll explain everything more. In my vision on YouTube, I actually did not buy the game. I watched others play it. In this vision I had, the game was terrible, and there was actually a way that you could get refunds.
We'll go back early to this year. The company showed its true colors by supporting communist regimes.
They
did this when a player called Blitzchung from Hong Kong expressed his support for the Hong Kong protest.
It's kind of funny because I've actually got photos here about how they support human rights, Pride Month, and everything. But when a player expresses their opinion and when a player expresses their support against a government that believes that killing people who disagree with them is okay, is wrong, that they should be silenced, Blizzard is the definition of fascism and communism. They are hypocritical. They say they support human rights and, Pride Month, but they don't support people in China who are being killed. A lot of players were angry for punishing the player because of their opinion. People were planning to protest at BlizzCon wearing Winnie the Pooh Bear costumes, making fun of the Chinese presidency. Of course, people say Blizzard needs to look out for the profitability. Of course, we need to look out for the shareholders. But when your profit, it prioritizes your image over human rights, then you've just gone wrong. Like, seriously, caring more about the profitability of Blizzard, even though Blizzard make a lot of money, over people being killed in China for their opinion. Of course, the company tried a lot of schemes and tactics to be able to diffuse the pressure that they were and outrage they were receiving from the public. They even went so far to release footage of Diablo 4. A lot of people already knew it. They couldn't see through Blizzard. They weren't fooling anybody. They already knew that Blizzard was trying to divert the attention to the game. I also prophesy that Diablo 4, I can see a really crappy game. Not as good as Diablo 2 in my opinion. More proof that they're probably going to screw it up is from the latest release of Warcraft 3 Reforged, a remake version of Warcraft 3. Look at this. Look at what they promised compared to what they delivered. Obviously, there's a bit of discrepancy right here. And false advertising. They misled a lot of people who are now outraged by this deception of Blizzard. Like all communists, they lie. I also doubt they care about profitability, like I said before. That's another false statement, because if they did actually care about profitability, they'll deliver what they promised, what people wanted. But nope, they cut corners. They care more about releasing as soon as possible rather than quality control over their product. They care more about reputation than human rights. What do you call this? Who cares more about their reputation of what the Chinese thinks of them? A communist. I think it's time to activate Liberty Prime.
Voice module online. Audio functionality test initialized. Designation Liberty Prime. Mission engaging red Chinese aggressors. Commencing tactical assessment. Red Chinese threat detected. Democracy is non-negotiable. America will never fall to communist invasion. Better dead than red. America will never fall to communist invasion.
So this is a warning to all in the future. Do not pre-order Diablo 4. Please, do not pre-order Diablo 4. Look first, because they're probably going to screw it up. Players have already posted on the Blizzard forums about how to get refunds for Warcraft 3 Reforged, and of course Blizzard have banned them, like everybody else. The ACCC in Australia actually have laws in order to protect consumers who buy products from companies. So anybody who lives in Australia, my country, they're able to contact the ACCC. Maybe they won't get a refund, but they can help them get a refund because they were the victim of deceptive marketing tactics. The company didn't deliver what they promised. I don't know about anybody in the other country, but I hope that you can also maybe contact a consumer company that will allow you to figure out ways to get a refund, because you all deserve refunds. Blizzard and other elite companies shouldn't be allowed to deceive you and get away with it. Thanks again for watching this video. This warning against communists.